Welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to learn to add colors to our visual in Tableau. Okay? Or we can say how to change the color of our visuals based on our requirement in Tableau. So, in our previous video, we have solved one question where we have found out one individual from each and every region with highest number of sales. So, let's create the same graph once again quickly with under 30 seconds. Okay, so we are segregating the data based on region, then each and every region will be segregated in for different representative, and at last we have created one measure for finding out the total sales. So this is the graph. Now if you want to change the color of the graph, how to change that? So we have an option here, color. Okay, so just click on the color and select the color the bar. So you can change the bar color based on what it. Are you interested in this one? So I am not interested. Okay. I'm interested in that each and every individual should have different color. Okay. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just drag this representative to color. To see, for each and every representative, we have different color option. Okay. Now let's see. We don't want different color for representative, we want different color for region. So for that, I'll remove this representative and I'll drag the region in color. So based on the region, now there is a new color. Okay, so if you want to edit it further, so there are like 5 options here: color, then size. You can select the size of the bars like this. Okay, then you can like edit the labels from here. If there is text, you can select font, alignment. Okay, like this one. Okay, then detail we have, then tooltip option we have. Okay, so we will explore this option further. Now let's say you want region based on size like this. You want a region based on label like this. Okay, so like this you can do different thing. So I'll just select color once again. Okay, I'll just reduce the size of the bars. Okay, now let's say how can we get more color? So here there is option region, just click on this drop down, click on edit colors. So we have like say multiple options for different colors. Okay, so you can select any panel. I'll select this blue. Just click on assign palette and click on apply. Now see. So like this, you can edit your visual and select the visual which looks good. Okay. So thank you for joining with me in this video. Daily we are learning new thing in Tableau, and in our next video we are going to learn formatting as well as layout.